Hello everyone, welcome to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable HTTPS only mode in Opera browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This feature forces Opera to always try loading websites using secure HTTPS connections instead of HTTP, which improves your privacy and security. So let's get started. First, open Opera browser and then click on menu icon in the top left corner. Then click on settings. Under settings, you need to select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, click on the security. Under security, you will see security connections section. Under this, you will find always use secure connections. Turn this one toggle to on. Here you can also opt for warns you for insecure public sites, or you can opt for warns you for insecure public as well as private sites. That's it. Now Opera will automatically try to upgrade websites from HTTPS to HTTPS. If a website does not support HTTPS, Opera will show a warning before loading it. This helps protect your browsing from insecure connections. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.